It's for Noah. You want to see the surprise? Come on. Go see what's under there.
What's that?
What's that, Noah?
What is that? Fire engine!
Yay! Is that Noah's?
Yes.
Wow! You want to drive the fire engine?
You want to get in?
You want to drive it?
Get it, sit down. Mommy buckle you in?
Oh, there's the button. Look, press the button.
Whoa! This is a fire engine. Want to push the button? Push the button. Push it. Push the button.
Right here.
Yeah.
Press it.
Press it. Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
Keep it pressed. Press
Hold
it.
it.
Hold it down.
Hold it down. Woo! Wow, look at this ladder. You have a ladder.
Wow, I like that fire engine.
Whoa! You like it, Noah?
Beep beep.
Maybe go over there so you can see him coming towards you.
Beep beep.
Beep, beep, beep. Here I come.
I'm driving the fire engine.
Yeah. Drive, Noah, drive.
I like your fire engine.
Is that a fire engine?
Go ahead, push the buttons.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Do it again.
Whoa! Oh, right into the wall.
You gotta move this way now.
You gotta steer it.
See, you gotta go like this. You gotta steer it like that. What's this? Oh, it makes noise. It makes sirens.
It's like a real fire engine.
Wow.
I like that fire engine. Do you like that fire engine?
You fit so perfect.
Yeah.
Whoa.